The first rates then this Monday morning, start of a brand new month, start of the second half of the calendar year. The Nifty starts off at the 2400 mark. Of course, it's going to be critical to see whether we manage to cling on to that mark or not, because we're just about it's a bit of a skittish start, one should say. So pretty flat for both the Nifty as well as the Sensex. What about the big movers from Friday? What's Reliance up to, given that that itself moved over 2.5% and supported the Nifty and gave it that leg up? Reliance has started off a lot more tempered. That's pretty much the case with an L&T, with a Titan, Asian Paints, Infosys. I can see most of these names have started off relatively softish in today's trading session. What about the private banks? Axis, IndusInd, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, let's have them all lined up and see where they're moving actually. So mildly, a little bit of green at least on Axis. IndusInd as well starts off flattish, marginal positive bias. ICICI Bank a little bit soft. It's a completely, Monday blues, both for cricket as well as the markets right now. We're taking it a little bit easy. Even SPI is just mildly soft as we speak right now. I can't really see any big moves on either end, be it negative or positive right now. What about Ultratech? What about Godrej Properties? These are some of the newsmakers this morning. Let's see whether they're seeing any move or not. Ultratech surely is about a 0.5% move is what that stock is sitting on. Vodafone Idea, what is that up to? Is that also seeing some traction up? No, actually, 2.5% low. Actually, that's pretty much been the case with most of these players after the tariff hike. It's been a bit of a sell-on news kind of move. 2% of an equity block deal in Religare. That's quite an interesting development. We will, of course, get details later in the evening as to who the buyer and sellers were. And that's pretty much it, Anisha. Pretty tempered on Monday.
Tempered Monday, but if you look at the broader market, that is where the action is. Take a look at the advanced decline ratio. While the frontline index is fairly quiet, the action really is in the broader markets. And talking about broader markets, take a look at Sapphire. That stock was locked in a 19% up move. Not really what happened with respect to Sapphire Foods. It's adjusted now. Ethos as well, for instance, was showing that uptick. My guess is that also might have got adjusted now because there was some sort of a big up move there. Or my rates, which are actually coming in, are a bit mixed because overall it's not showing in on the screen. Signature Global, JB Chemicals or JB Pharma, wherein there was that initiation, those stocks will be in focus. CDSL is also getting a bump up, so 5% higher. Raymond, that move really continues on the stock, 4% higher. You also have BLS International, which is perking up. 361 has had a good traction over the last 7 to 8 trading sessions. It's up almost 25-30% in a matter of a week or so. And KPIT Tech saw a stellar run on Friday. Today as well, that stock continues to gain. Well,